Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and I'm quite excited about this video because in this video we are giving away a free simple grid trading robot. Now, we've been making trading robots for 11 years, and the grid trading system has been our most popular system throughout most of our trading robots. In fact, it was our first and second robot that we created. And here's a video that's had 340,000 views about grid trading. So what makes grid trading so special is that it cashes in on every single move in the market. Whether the market goes up or down, it cashes in and into a positive transaction. And over the years, we've realized that there are only two critical settings required to be a profitable grid trader. So what we've done is we created a robot with only two settings, and that is the one that you can download. So with only two settings, it makes it ideal for beginner robot traders to start learning how to trade robots. And it is extremely simple, but don't be fooled by the word simple. It is highly profitable, and there's a good chance that you will make considerable gains during the period that you trade this robot. And here's a view of the settings. The only settings that you need to enter is the gap size, and that's the gap between the grid levels, and then your lot sizing or your position sizing. Those are the only two. And as you'll see, we provide quite a lot of guidance in that particular area. Now, just to give you an overview, the EA ensures that there's a buy and a sell open at every grid level that the price visit. Now, that ensures that there will be a positive trade no matter which way the market moves. And then it cashes in all the positive trades. And then negative trades are left open until they become positive, or they are closed in a group of transactions. There could be a group of transactions that in total are positive. They might be negative. That group then gets closed at a positive balance. And here's a view of the settings, and we're experimenting with this EA because what we're doing is we're not only giving you the settings, but we're actually giving you the instructions on how to use them in the actual EA. So here's the settings part of the EA. There we are. There are the only two settings that you need to worry about. And then we say, okay, now you need guidance on which currencies to use and which gap sizes to use, and here's the guidance. There are the currencies, and there are the gap sizes that you should be using. Follow those and you will be okay. Then we give you some lot sizing suggestions depending on the size of your account, what kind of lot sizing you need to use, and then we say please do not use this EA on non-Forex instruments yet. Until you are a total expert at trading Forex instruments, stick to Forex instruments. Then we provide you with a link to an instructional video that gives you more information on how grid trading occurs. So what more can you wish for? No thinking involved. Guidance is provided, two settings, really nice, simple EA. And the big surprise that you'll get is the profitability that you'll experience. So how do you get hold of this EA? You use the link in the video shown right now, or you use a clickable link that will be in the description of the video as well as in the first commentary of the video. So download this free simple grid trading EA as soon as possible while stocks last and while it remains free. From me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.